Good morning. It's not misty. Steve's got his chimney going. It's Monday, the 7th of October. Beautiful morning. After yesterday, anyway. We had quite a bit of rain yesterday afternoon. But it's been a nice stop here in Fradley Junction. Today we're going to go up to the junction, turn left and go up the Trent and Mersey. Obviously heading north for Christmas. But it's lovely here. We have had a lovely meet-up with Steve and Maxine from Never Too Late Our Journey. Check them out on YouTube. And they're also traders. We will leave all the links below to all their items. They do, well, Maxine's an author. She's done several books, cookery books and all sorts. So please check out their website and information below. And Steve is very talented too. Look at this lovely halfpenny little key ring that he made for me. The actual coin is a 1965 halfpenny, and that's the year I was born. So thank you very much, Steve. He gave me that, and he carves them all by hand. Well, cuts them out all by hand on his boat, and oh, the detail is amazing. And he also made Nikki this beautiful hair and moon necklace, and she is going to treasure it. Please check out their merchandise. It's made all on board the boat. It's amazing. Really good. Morning. Yeah, we've had a lovely couple of nights here, and it was extra special, of course, to see Steve and Maxine again from Never Too Late Our Journey. Really nice, and thank you so much, guys, for the lovely presents. Just went to say goodbye to them this morning, and Maxine passed a lovely pendant for little Lily and a lovely book, one of her own books, for little Noah. So I know what Noah will be doing for schooling today. Just sort of going really nice and slow up to the swing bridge here, and hoping that Steve will open the bridge for me. And this is Steve and Maxine's boat, Never Too Late. Lovely boat. His little workshop, he does it in the back. Carves out the, cuts out the coins and everything. Yeah. The kids are saying thank you to Maxine. Thanks very much, guys. We'll see you next time. There's Mexie. Where's Mexie? There's Mexie Dog. Mexie's the star of Maxine's books. Take care, guys. See you soon. We're just coming up to the little swing bridge here, and the lockies are on. So a lockie has opened the bridge for us. They're brilliant, I tell you. Thank you so much. There, of course, is the junction, Fradley Junction, and the Swan Pub, or the Mucky Duck as we like to call it, in front. It's a lovely junction here. If all goes to plan, we've got 3 locks today. 2 here at Fazeley Junction, and 1 a little bit further, which is Wood End Lock. But the lockies are on, and the gates are open at the first one. Thanks ever so much, thank you.
You're a long way from Cornwall.
I will, I think. Thank you. These lockies are amazing. That chap is working with the lockie in the next lock and informed me that there's a boat coming out, or just about to come out of the next lock, so the gates will be ready for us and we can go straight in. They really are wonderful. They're a great help. Obviously we are crewed, it's breakfast time and it's a school day on Chug, so Nikki's just helping the kids with the breakfast and schooling and what have you. But she was just about to come out, but the lockie said, stay in the boat, you're fine. They're brilliant. May be able to see that boat now just coming out, so Chugs can go straight in. Morning. Thanks ever so much, mate. Thank you.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you very much. Take care.
Cheers, Dan.
Good morning.
Hello.
Just around the corner, Wood End Lock. What a beautiful morning. So there goes Nikki to do the lock. We did have a boat come out about 5 minutes ago. Yeah, we did have a boat go past us and explain that the gates wouldn't stay closed. So there is one gate open and one gate closed. Hello. This used to be such a beautiful lock. Little teacups in the arches here in the bridge. Not teacups, teapots. Beautiful. And a beautiful cottage with beautiful gardens. Now all commissioned by HS2 and apparently due for demolishment. It's criminal. This used to be lovely and now they're on about not doing the HS2 all the way. Don't start me. I'm having a good morning. Andy's not far behind us and there's a boat wanting to go down this lock, so Chugs is there, moored up. We're going to help this boat through the lock and then help Andy coming up. Yeah, these arches, there's one either side of the bridge, they have beautiful ceramic teapots in. It was gorgeous, lovely little lock. Right, that boat's going out. We did just look over the bridge and we could see Andy coming in. Ta-da! So that's the locks done. Hopefully all of the locks done for today. Andy's gone on in front. Now a lovely cruise to wherever. Might be Rugeley, might be Wallersley. Don't know. On in. All the leaves are falling. Beautiful. Who have you got?
Boo boo. Boo? Where's that? I might just go and get his little jumper on.
There's a lot going on here from last time we were here. All change. Just on the port side. King's Bromley Marina. Always get that one in King's Orchard mixed up. They are two very different marinas. When you look at little Boo now, or Brindley as his name is, but we call him Boo. When you look at how small he was when he was born, he easily would fit in the palm of your hand. He was so small, and we used to have to hand feed him every 2 hours solid for just a little over 2 weeks, and it's a miracle he made it. It's lovely now. He's a strong little boy. Lovely dog. You can see the houses up ahead. Just coming into the outskirts of Handsacre now. It's a nice place to cruise through. We have stopped here, but we didn't explore at all because it was pouring down. So we literally just moored up and then left the next morning. But we'll stop here one day. And it looks like Handsacre is getting bigger every day. soon as we go under that bridge, the infamous Armitage Shanks building here. They make toilets. Hey, up morning. It is, mate. It is. Just here is the plum pudding, and we were thinking of stopping here. It's gone from being a very expensive Italian restaurant to back to being a pub again, and they're quite reasonable. 2 courses for £9.95, which is amazing. But we are aware we've got a long way to go, and we are aware we haven't got that long to get there. So we're pressing on today. Now we can see in front that Andy's pressing on. I hope he knows that there's a tunnel that isn't a tunnel up here. Armitage tunnel just ahead of us. We're just going to follow him through. I don't think so. I'm pretty sure you're clear. Andy carried on. Steve has just gone past us. Obviously we're getting water here in Armitage and then going to press on. We're hoping to call at the supermarkets in Rugeley on the way through, and we may be mooring up the other side of the aqueduct just as you come out of Rugeley, just past the bloody steps there where Christina Collins' body was found, tragically. But yes, getting water and the washing machine's on. As you can see, we're not at the water point at Armitage. We're in the middle of Rugeley, just by bridge 66. Morrison's over that way, Tesco's over here. We've just been to Tesco's to get a shop. The reason why I didn't film, my camera died. What a numpty. About 20 minutes and we'll be moored up. It's a brilliant little spot there for shopping. It really is. I wondered where you put me wig, love. Why did you drop it in the canal? Oh, right. Hi, you all right? Very busy. It always is here. I like Rugeley. I think it's a sweet little town. You've got everything here. I quite like it. Although this tree could do with a bit of a cut. See if I can guide it through the willow. Ooh!
I don't know if you've seen it, but there's a sunken boat.
We're coming to the right hand bend here. It's a 90-degree bend that'll take us over the River Trent on the Trent aqueduct, of course. And that's where Steve and Andy are moored up. But on that bend, it has a tragic story to tell. I basically say it every time I go round the bend. I go round the bend every day.
Yep.
But every time I go round this bend, I recommend watching. Where is he? The doggies.
Hello.
They're shouting at me. I don't blame them. Sorry. Yeah, every time I go round this bend, I recommend having a look at Andy's vlog from Tales from the Swan's Neck. He tells the tragic story of Christina, a young lady that was murdered by some boatmen. But it's an interesting story to listen to, and tragically, it is part of the history of the canal round here. Yeah, he tells it better than anyone. Take a look. I will put a link in the vlog below. Here we go around the tight 90-degree bend, and just up here in the corner are what is known now as the Bloody Steps, and that's where Christina's body was carried up. Her body was found in the water here, right on the bend, and the body was taken to an old public house that used to be at the top of the steps. Here we go now over the Trent aqueduct. Nikki's just struggling with baby Boo.
There's Uncle Steve.
There's Steve and Andy.
Who's that? Uncle Steve.
We're going to moor up with them. Obviously the River Trent goes below us here. I'm just slowing down because I'm going to be mooring up in a second. That's my moor sleeve just fallen off. That's not good.
Oh my goodness.
Well, we're moored up. Steve's just getting his washing in. I'm afraid it's just started to rain. We're moored up just over the Trent aqueduct. You might be able to see the rain in the water. Look at us all moored up. My knob fell off.
Again.
It fell off. My little moor sleever. But thank you, Andy, and Steve, having a look at it and fixing it, because I couldn't see the little grub screw. Nothing worse when you're going over an aqueduct and your knob falls off. It just fell off. I could say so much, but I'm not. No. Anyway, we're moored up now, just over the Trent aqueduct. Steve is making us a katsu curry tonight. And if it's as good as his Thai green chicken curry, it's going to be amazing. I've got full faith in him.
I have to.
I shall do what a lot of people do and take pictures of our food. I never really do that, do I?
I think you should this time.
I might do. I might take a picture of our food and you shall see it when we move tomorrow. I'm hoping I don't see it again when I move tomorrow. I won't, will I?
No.
No, Steve just had to get his washing in. You might be able to see his line there. It did piddle down when we moored up. But it's nice. We're moving on tomorrow. A couple of hours at the most tomorrow to Great Haywood.
Angry cars.
Angry cars. There's a lot of traffic on the road there, so that they're getting angry. So that's about it for today. Nice, wasn't it?
Really nice. Enjoyed
Nice.
the cruise today.
I enjoyed that. I didn't enjoy the shopping. I never enjoy going shopping, but I enjoy eating what we get.
We've done that.
We'll say good night and we'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.